Hello. You're putting lipstick. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Oh, thank you. Are you a boy?
No.
Girl?
What do you mean? I'm a boy.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Do I look like a girl to you?
What?
Do I look like a lady to you?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Do you want to play?
Yeah, sure.
All right, let's do it. Let me guess. Your favorite dinosaur is T-Rex.
Yeah. Guys,
See? I
guys,
know that.
akala ko ano siya. Wala akong gifters.
No, me too. Yeah, I have just amazing friends here. Yeah, Queen of Hearts. Hey, what are you gonna do tonight? You gonna go out tonight? You're preparing for tonight
Um,
hangout?
it depends. I have class later. Yeah.
Oh, is that what you do all the time? Before class, you put a little makeup on your face
Yeah,
before
a little
class.
bit makeup. Like,
But
simple
it looks like
makeup.
you don't need makeup because you are pretty already.
Thank you so much.
Oh, are
Thank
you in
you.
college?
Yeah.
Oh, what year are you in college?
What?
What year are you in college?
Second year. Nursing course.
Oh, nursing. Okay. 2 more years, ah.
Ano pa yung sabi nyo, guys? What? May, ha? Wala
Hello,
akong
hey,
gifters,
Terex.
guys, ha? Hindi ko marinig.
Hello.
What?
Pilipina ka? Pilipina ka?
Yeah.
Saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Akala ko, ano? Ano, Mindanao. Grabe,
Ah,
pinagtitripan naman. Ang galing mo, ah. You have
di kita
accent, ha?
pinagtitripan.
No, peg.
Kasabot ka Bisaya? Kasabot ka Bisaya?
No.
Ay, hindi. Di ba taga Mindanao ka? Ang Mindanao ay marunong magano.
Arabot pala. Ha? Hello.
Hey, T-Rex, wala bang nagsasabi sa'yo na nagtatagalog ako?
Wala.
Okay.
Ay,
See guys, pag wala
wait.
nagsasabi, nakakaprang tayo.
Ay, ano po pala kayo? Sikat po pala kayo eh. Dahil yung followers.
T-Rex, i-upload ko to sa page ko.